What's going on, everybody? X Landscaper here, back with another video. And today, I'm gonna cut the lawn. I got my Scag Hydro. It's a SWZ48, and I got a little something I'm gonna try. I got plenty of leaves on the lawn. Doesn't really look like it, but there's quite a bit, and I'm gonna try something a little different. So stay tuned and see what I got planned. All right, so what I got up my sleeve, my little bag of tricks, is I got that. Yeah, it's a mesh bag that I'm gonna attach to the hopper, something like that, and we'll see how this freaking thing works. I've seen videos online. I've used this actually once before, but I'm gonna show you guys how it works. So check this out. All right, so if you got one of these style hoppers, just take the back screen off, and there you go. That's where the discharge is. And basically all you're gonna do, I'll see if we can do this one-handed. Actually, I'll put you guys down. You set yours up. How's that? Good? All right, excellent. Basically, all you're gonna do is put this on, and pretty much that's it. If you guys get the concept. So the leaves and stuff are gonna go in the bag. Hopefully it works. And I'm gonna tie it all down with the little ratchet strap. So I'll get this thing tied up and we'll check it out, see how it works. So that's pretty much what it looks like. I just got it ratchet strapped around there, tied up. Yeah, let's give this thing a shot, see what happens. All right, so before I get started with this, I'm just gonna blow the edges out. I got a little bit of leaves in the corners and whatnot. I'm just gonna blow everything on the lawn, and then we'll get mowing. Alright, so already I see a problem. I got the ducky on the back here and it's getting run over by the tire. This thing. Yes. Alright, let's see. Go. So far so good. Just picking it up. Working actually pretty well. You can see it's taking up all the leaves. There's a little, obviously I'm having a little bit of an issue here. This keeps flipping up here, but I don't know if you can see in there. There's a decent amount. This is all ripped here, that's why. We'll fix that up and then I'll get going on this side. Well, as you can see, a little contraption works pretty well. There was a lot of leaves here, and I didn't empty that. I didn't empty the bag not once. Look at this freaking thing. This thing's full. Holy crap! It's ridiculous. It is, but hey, it works. Funny. That piece of crap Harbor Freight strap broke, so I'm gonna have to cut that thing off. But yeah, I mean, not bad, right? A little tip for you guys, little tricks. All right, let me finish up, and got a string trim still. I said my lawn is still growing. It's like mid-November, and I fertilized the crap out of it. I did the reconditioning in the fall, so it's, let's see, the lawn's pretty thick. so there we go, man. That looks a lot better. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Not bad. Alright guys, so if you want, I'll leave a link in the description of where you can buy one of those things. Basically all it is just a mesh bag. Now, you don't have to have a commercial mower for that thing to work. You could probably use that on a garden tractor, or it's not going to work on a little push mower, obviously, but you can even make those things. I saw there was a video on YouTube. A guy made that thing with a tarp and some zip ties, but yeah, that's it. So just a little tip for you guys, a little, add that to your arsenal of leaf cleanup-ness. So as you can see, it works pretty well. It's not 100%. It's got its little quirks and issues on it, but for the most part, I mean, it did. I think it did a pretty damn good job. I think it was like 20 bucks or something like that. So not bad. Look at that, nice. All right, guys. Well, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys on the next one. Later.